Hey everybody, thank you for your interest in our Infeed tables. This is by far one of our most popular products. Now we make this for the SawStop and for a lot of those large commercial saws that have the square tube guide rail for the fence. Now we're jumping into the SawStop Jobsite saw. This is by far one of the most popular saws on the job site today, and we've made an Infeed for it. And this looks a lot like the other ones that we make, and it's real simple to install. It slips right into place. You line it up with the miter slot and lock it in with the clamp, and just like that, you're in business. So now you have a much larger Infeed that your miter gauge can fit in, your crosscut sleds, and other jigs and fixtures that you use on a day-to-day basis. This makes it a lot safer and gives you a lot more support for those cuts. So when you order one of these, this comes in a 3-piece kit. I'm going to show you real quick how to put it together and how to mount it on the saw. So when you order your Infeed table, it's going to come in 3 parts. You're going to have the Infeed table itself, then you're going to have a piece of angled aluminum and a clamp. Installing this couldn't be easier. You're going to take your aluminum and put the screw position holes, or the holes for the screws, facing down onto the Infeed table. Line it up with your left side if the Infeed table is facing away from you, or if you look at the groove here, those screw positions are over the top of that, or that's in between. To position that, I measure back 3 1/4 inches, and that goes right to the front, right here on this metal part. And then you can take your 4 black screws, these ones right here, and put them in. Now again, just like the metal, you want the clamp to be straddling that miter slot, so make sure you position it well. In this case, it's 1 inch from that side, so 1 inch over from the side with the miter slot, and then 3 1/4 inches back to the front of the clamp, and that's your correct position. This adjustable bolt on here has a rubber head on it, so you can take it over to your saw, clamp it down until you get a nice tight fit, adjust this to make it a little tighter or a little looser, and then set your nut back against the clamp, lock it in place, and that holds it in position, and you're ready to use it. It's as simple as that. The Infeed table fits right up against both miter slots when the fence is closed or in its smallest position. Now when you open it all the way up and lock it, it only fits on the right side of the saw, just like so. And just like that, you've added a lot of safety and usability to your saw. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes to check out our Infeed table video. And if you order one, we sure hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or concerns, hit us up at help@izzyswan.com. Thanks guys.